Hello, in today's video I'll tell you how to fix blinking orange light on your MOVA Z60 Ultra. It's important to differentiate whether it's blinking or breathing. If it's breathing, which means it changes the brightness level of the light gradually, then it's just a low battery and that's it. But if it's blinking, so it's just turning off and on constantly at a faster pace, then that means your robot got stuck. And for that, you may need to remove obstacles. Try flipping the robot over, see if there's maybe a cable stuck or some piece of clothing. Also check if in the area where the robot is, if it's if it didn't get stuck on some furniture and that it can move, try moving it to a different location, like a few meters, and then pressing on the power button shortly to resume the task. That should help. If not, then you may want to check out our video on how to clean the wheels and how to clean the main brush, because these actually may cause problems. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.